This is a simple geometrical question. We have to consider a cube like this. And now in this cube, we'll be drawing the longest diagonal. How will that diagonal be? Let us name the vertices of this cube as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and H. Now the longest diagonal for this particular cube will be from, it can either be from C to E, or it can be from B to H, and likewise the one from the farthest point of this particular surface to the farthest point on this particular surface, that would be a longest diagonal. So let us consider this CE to be our longest diagonal. And now in this they are saying that theta is the angle in degrees that the longest diagonal makes with any one of the edges of this cube. So let us say this angle is theta, or we can also consider point E. So in that case, this can be considered theta, or this angle can be considered theta. So it depends upon which side we are considering. We basically have to find the value of cos theta. So for this, let us assume that the side of this cube is A. All the edges will have the same length A. And in this case, if we also connect the edges E and G, then we'll see that this triangle CEG, this will also be a right angle triangle at G. And for this triangle, we also have in the base surface the triangle EF and G. It will also have both of its sides as A, and applying Pythagoras theorem in this lower triangle, we'll see that the length of side EG, or we can say using Pythagoras, this will become 2 times of A squared, because it will be EF squared plus FG squared. So EG would be A root 2. And now in our triangle CEG, we'll again apply the Pythagoras theorem. With that, the length of the longest diagonal CE squared would be CG squared plus EG squared. CG is already known to us as A, and EG we just found out to be A root 2, so its squared would be 2A squared. So from this we get the length of CE, or our longest diagonal, to be A root 3. Now let us apply the cos theta property in this triangle CEG. We know that the value of cos theta is adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So considering this angle C to be the theta, what would be the adjacent side? This edge CG. So value of cos theta would be CG upon the hypotenuse, which is CE. And we know the length of CG to be A because it is an edge, and CE we just found out to be A root 3. Hence cancelling out A, we get 1 by root 3, and that would be the value of our cos theta. So the correct option is C.